Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to type letters upside down and reversed on your computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a web browser here. Doesn't really matter which one, but you want to open up a web browser. Okay, so at this point you want to enter in the website address I have in the description of the video. So upsidedowntext.com. So type in whatever words, letters, or symbols you want here. I'm just actually going to just copy in the text from right above, and you can see now the text has come down below and it has been inversed as well as backwards effect. You can uncheck whichever option if you don't want to use both, and then once you've done that you can just copy it, and then we already have a notepad file open, so I paste it in. You can see the text is now backwards. So I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys achieve what you were looking for. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.